Good morning, students. Last time we had solved some problems from exercise 7A of simple equations, means linear equations in one variables. Okay, we will continue that exercise. The question number from question number 15. Question is solve the equation, following equation, and check your answer that is correct or not. So that is your question number 15. Solve 2 by 3x is equal to 3 by 8x plus 7 by 12. So what is the process? Transfer this term which have x to the left side. What we have? We have 2 by 3x minus 3 by 8x, that is equal to 7 by 12. What will be LCM here? LCM of 3 and 8, that is 24. 3 8 ja 24, 8 2 ja 16x minus 8 3 ja 24, 3 3 ja 9x equal to 7 upon 12. That is 16x minus 9x, that is 7 by 24x, that is 7 by 12. Then from here x is equal to 7 by 12 into, transfer this 7 by 24 to right side, it will be 24 by 7. Okay, so 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, means x is equal to 2. That is your answer. Now I am going to check that this answer is x is equal to satisfy the given equation or not. It is correct or not. Our answer is correct or not. So now I am going to check this. See, our equation is this one. So our equation is this one. Put x is equal to 2 now. What we have? 2 by 3 into 2, that is 3 by 8 into, replace x by 2 because x becomes 2 here, plus 12 by 7 by 12. So it will be 4 by 3, and here LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay, so this is 8 3 ja 24, 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18 plus 12 2 ja 24 and 2 7 ja 14. Okay, so what we have? In the left side, that is 4 by 3, and the right side 18 plus 14, that is 32 by 24. So 8 4 ja 32, 8 3 ja 24. So we have 4 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 3, means our answer is correct, means x is equal to 2, satisfy our equation. That's why x is equal to 2 will be the solution of this equation. Okay. Now question number 18. Read everyone question number 18. Open your book and read question number 18. Question number 18. 18 is solve y minus 1 upon 3 is equal to y minus 2 upon 4 is equal, sorry, this is y minus 1 upon 3 minus y minus 2 upon 4 equal to 1. We want to solve this equation, means we have to find out value of y which satisfy this equation. Okay, so see, what will be the LCM of 3 and 4? That is 12. Now 3 4 ja 12, 4 into its numerator, 3 4 ja 12, 4 into its numerator, 4 into y minus 1 minus, here 4 3 ja 12, and 3 into its numerator, 3 into y minus 2, that is equal to 4. Now open this bracket. What we have? 4 into y, that is 4y minus 4 into 1 4 minus 3 into y 3y minus minus plus, 3 2 ja 6 upon 12, that is equal to 1. Okay. Now this is 4y minus 3y. 4y minus 3y is y, and minus 4 and plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. Plus 2 upon 12, that is equal to 1. Now transfer this 12 to this side. What we have? Y plus 2 is equal to 12 into 1. That is 12. Then y is equal to what? Y is equal to 12 minus, transfer this 2 to right side, minus 2. That is 10. Means y is equal to 10 is the solution. Now we will check that this solution means y is equal to 10. Is it correct or not? It is correct or not? So our equation is this one. I am going to check now. Put value of y, left side and right side both. Replace y by 10. I am going to check this. This is y. Y is 10 minus 1 by 3 minus y is 10 minus 2 by 4, that is equal to 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9 by 3. 10 minus 2 is 8 by 4, that is equal to 1. Now see, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So what we have? We have 3 minus 2 equal to 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1, that is equal to 1. Means left side and right side both are equal. Means our answer y is equal to 10 is correct. Means solution of this equation is y is equal to 10. Okay. Now next question. Question number. These questions are same. Question number 21. I am going to solve question number 21. Question number 21. Question number 21. Read everyone. What is the question number 21? Solve y plus 7 upon 3 is equal to 1 plus 3y minus 2 upon 5. Okay. So transfer this term which have y to left side. What we have? We have y plus 7 upon 3 and here plus. So when it transfer to left side, that will be minus 3y minus 2 upon 5 equal to, that is 1. Okay. Now what is the LCM here? LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. Now 3 5 ja 15, 5 into its numerator, 5 into y plus 7. Okay. Minus 5 3 ja 15, 3 into its numerator, 3 into 3y minus 2, that is equal to 1. Okay. So what we have now? 5y plus 5 7 is 35, and open this bracket, minus 3 3 is 9y, minus 1 is plus, 3 2 is 6 upon 15 is equal to 1. Okay. So now we have 5y minus 9y, that is minus 4y. Okay. And plus 35 plus 6, that is 41 is equal to 1, and transfer this to this side, 1 into 15. Okay. Now we have, this is 41 and this one will be 15. Transfer this to left side, from right to left, that will be minus 15, that is equal to, this is minus 4y, transfer it to right side, it will be plus 4y. Okay. So what we have? This is 41 minus 15, that is 26, that is equal to 4y. Then from here y is equal to what? 26 by 4. So 2 13 ja and 2 2 ja, means y will be equal to 13 by 2. Now we will check that our answer is correct or not. 13 by 2. Again I am going to explain this. See, first in the first step we transfer this term to left side, it will be minus 3y minus 2 upon 5, and right side will 1 will remain there. Now LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 3 5 are 15, 5 into its numerator y plus 7 minus 5 3 are 15, 3 into its numerator 3y minus 2 upon 15. After that, open this bracket, 5 into y 5y plus 5 into 7 35 minus 3 into 3 9 y minus minus plus 3 to the 6 upon 15. Now transfer this 15 to right side, it will be 1 into 15, and the left side is 5y minus 9y, that is minus 4y, and plus 35 plus 6, that is plus 41, and right side is 15. Now transfer this plus 15 to left side, it will be minus 15, and minus 4y to right side, that is plus 4y. So 41 minus 15, that is 26, is equal to 4y, then y is equal to 26 by 4, that is 2 से divisible है दोनों, 13 by 2. This is our answer. Now I am going to check that our answer is correct or not. So our equation is this one. This one I am going to check. See, put the value of y. Y is 13 by 2 plus 7 upon 3, that is equal to 1 plus 3. This is 13 by 2 minus 2 upon 5. Okay. So from here you can see this can be written as by 1. So it will be 1 by 3. This one. This 3 divides this numerator, na? So that can be written as 1 by 3 into, now LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 2 1 are 2, that will be 13. 1 into 13, 13 plus 1 2 are 2, 2 into 7, 14. That is equal to, see, this is 1 and plus this one is 1 by 5, and that is here LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, and this one is 13 3 are 39, and 2 1 are 2, 1 into 39, that will be 39 minus 1 2 are 2, 2 2 are 4. So it will become 1 by 3 into, this is 27 by 2 equal to, this is 1 plus 1 by 5 into, that is 39 minus 4, 35 by 2. See, 3 9 are 27. So our left side will become 9 by 2. 3 9 are 27. So our left side is 9 by 2, and right side, see, 5 7 are 35. So it will be 1 plus 7 by 2. Okay. So what will be LCM here? 1 by 1. What is the LCM here? 2. So that is 9 by 2 this side, and I am going to rub this for proper space. So here will be 1 2 are 2, 2 1 are 2, and plus 2 1 are 2, 1 7 are 7. Clearly our left side is 9 by 2 and right side is also 7 plus 2, 9 by 2. Means our answer is correct. So our answer is y is equal to 13 by 2. That is correct. Now that is question number 21. Now I am going to solve question number 24. Okay, I am going to solve question number 24. Question number 24. That is 3 by 4, 7x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 minus x upon 2 is equal to x plus 3 by 2. We want to solve this. So first open this bracket. What we have? Open this bracket. So we have 3. This is 7x minus 1 by 4 minus, here LCM will be 2, okay, and here LCM will be 2. So 1 2 is 2, 2 into 2, 4x minus 2 1 is 2, this is 1, 1 minus x, this one. And here 1 2 is 2, 2 into x, 2x, and plus 2 1 is 2, 1 3 is, okay. So it will be 3 times 7x minus 1 by 4 minus, this one is 4x minus 1 minus plus x by 2 equal to 2x plus 3 by 2. So we have, this is 3, 7x minus 1 minus, this is 4x plus x, 5x, and minus 1 upon 2 here and upon 4 here, that is 2x plus 3 by 2. So what is LCM here? LCM is 4. So 4 1 is 4, that will be 3 into 7x minus 1 minus 2 to the 4, that will be 2 into 5x minus 1, that is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 2. So now open this bracket. So 3 7 is 21 x minus 3 1 is 3 minus 2 5 is 10x minus plus 2 1 is 2 upon 4, that is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 2. So it will become 21x minus 10x, that is 11x, and minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1 upon 4, that is 2x plus 3 upon 2. Now doing the cross multiplication. What we have? We have 2 times 11x minus 1 equal to 4 times 2x plus 3. Okay. Now I am going to the few of the lines hidden above. That is our question. Okay. Now that will be open the bracket, that is 2 into 11, 22x minus 2 1 is 2 equal to 4 2 is 8x plus 4 3 is 12. So we have 22x, transfer this 8x to left side, minus 8x equal to 12, and transfer this minus 2 to right side, plus 2. So we have 22 minus 8, that is 14x equal to, this is 14. So you can see x will become 14 divided by 14, that is equal to 1. Means our answer is x is equal to 1. Now we will check that our answer is correct or not. So our equation is this one, and answer is x is equal to 1. So we will put value of x equal to 1 to its left and right, and we will see that x is equal to 1 satisfy this equation or not. So now the time to check our answer, put x is equal to 1 in the given equation. X is equal to 1. So what we have? We have, that is 3 by 4, this is 7x is 1, minus this is 1, minus this is 2 into x is 1, minus 1 minus x is 1 upon 2, that is equal to x is 1, and plus this is 3 by 2. जो क्वेश्चन दिया है, जो इक्वेशन गिवन है, उसमें हम x की वैल्यू 1 पुट करेंगे. So what we have, that is 3 by 4. You can see 7 1 is 7, that will be 7, minus 1, that is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Minus, that is 2 1 is 2, minus 1 minus 1 0. That means that is 1 minus 1 0. 0 divided by 2 0. When 0 divided by any number, answer will be 0. That is equal to, here LCM is 2. So 1 2 is 2, 2 1 is 2, plus 2 1 is 2, 1 3 is 3. So its left side will be 3 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So here 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. So its left side is 3 into 3 9 minus this is 2 and its right side is something mistake there. X is equal to 1 is our answer. So x is equal to 1 when we will put here. So here see here 3 by 2 will be remaining here. 3 3s are 9. Sorry, this is 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2 actually. 9 by 2 and minus this is 2. See this one. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 3 into 3 9 divided by 2 and minus this one is 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Now so its left side will be, see this can be written as by 1. LCM is what? 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 9s are 9 minus 2 2 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4 equal to 5 by 2. So next step that is 9 minus 4 5 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. So see our answer is correct. Why? Because x is equal to 1 satisfy this equation. Okay.